The vacuum of space is different from the kind of life we are used to. At this moment, 560 million kilometers above the place where you are sitting, there are radiation storms moving at a speed of 100,000 kilometers an hour, caused by explosions on the sun. In space, the temperature is a freezing minus 273 degrees. The awesome temperature inside the stars reaches millions of degrees. Giant meteorites go hurling at great speeds through the emptiness of space. Now think of your own position in this endless emptiness of space. To imagine this, let's first compare the concept of distances on Earth to that of distances in the universe. In the universe, the distance between the closest stars is 30 trillion kilometers. Of all the stars that twinkle in the sky, the closest one to you is 500 trillion kilometers away. Now, let's look at our position within our galaxy. There are some 250 billion stars in the Milky Way. Our Sun is only one of these. 9 planets revolve in great harmony around the Sun. This whole system is the solar system. Within this solar system that encompasses 12 billion square kilometers, our Earth occupies a very small place. If you think of the Earth as a marble, the Sun would be the size of a football 280 meters away from the marble. In spite of these huge numbers, the Milky Way occupies a small area among the 300 billion galaxies in space. The continual movement in space is even more interesting. The Earth revolves on its own axis at a speed of 1,670 kilometers an hour. At the same time, it revolves around the Sun, which is 103 times larger than it. The Earth makes this revolution at a speed of 108,000 kilometers an hour. That is, about 60 times greater than the speed of a bullet. At the same time, the Earth and the Sun are moving towards the star Vega at 200 kilometers a second. That is, at the extraordinary speed of 720,000 kilometers an hour. And our galaxy is also moving. And we are not even aware of this enormous journey we are making every moment. Because of the flawless balances that God has established, we never sense this journey. Have you ever wondered why we never sense this movement for even a moment? At this moment, as you watch this film, there is no vibration going on. As you sit in a park or walk along the road, you don't know that the world is turning. But our world is a gigantic mass traveling in space at the great speed of 200 kilometers a second. One moment we've moved 200 kilometers. The next moment we've moved 400, 600,